Hi y'all. Yeah, this is a quick update on the survival garden. It's late November, I think it's the 27th, and I'm going to give you an update on what needs to be done. So there's about 100 feet there of utility fence, and that's got I think it's 2 by 4 inch squares. So I need that 2 by 4 inch to repair this damage over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's really chewed up here. I just kind of have it kind of like just sitting in here, like up here. Okay, so I'm gonna get to work on putting that fence up. I'm gonna go ahead and do time lapse on this one. Okay, so I removed the old fence, so now I'll work on putting the new fence in. Okay, so another project I got to work on is finish running this electric fence wire down to the end. So there's the electrified fence, all done. Goes all the way around. And it starts right here. Just y'all know that's the flashing light right there. That sends a pulse, a shock pulse all the way around.